All right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back with you. We're here at the Bethesda office, Natural Transplants. So excited today. We have Ahmon with us today. You're local. Congrats, man. Well, today is the big day.
Yeah.
You made it. So you come see me a couple months ago, about a month ago. We sort of talked about what the game plan is today. But if you could share with everybody, thanks for doing this, by the way.
Yeah, of course.
If you could share with everybody kind of what brings you today, what you're looking to do.
Yeah. So I came in today. Recently, I noticed that my hairline edges were thinning as of a few years ago,
Yeah.
about 2 to 3 years. Kind of was concerning, but it's really started to thin out over the past year.
Yeah.
And then my crown, the density starting to go away. So just some things that I've seen over the past few years that I wanted to address. So I looked up Dr. Blumenthal, saw a lot of good things. So did the consult and felt good about it, and now I'm here. It came faster than I expected.
I know. It's always in the future, and then all of a sudden it hits it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I'm going to have you duck your chin for me, just so, actually, look straight first for a second, and then so I'm going to have you just come on in. And you can see we had the corner is really recessed. We're going to bring down, obviously, corners and probably the front a little bit as well, too. We don't want to go crazy and bring it down too far and be super aggressive. You still want there to be symmetry to the face, and you still want there to be a forehead, but we'll draw it all out and make sure we're happy. And then I'm going to have you duck your chin, and then this is also thinning up here as well, too. So we're going to attack the crown as well, fill that guy in, and it's going to be an awesome day today. Awesome. You excited? Ready to rock and roll? Let's do it. All right. So we'll draw some pictures. We'll take you and draw some the outline, take some more pictures, and then we'll check back in with you after that. Sound good?
Yeah,
Awesome.
sound good.
All right, everybody, welcome back. This is Ahmon. You do not have to shave your head, but he decided to. Sometimes you can look like one of the Three Stooges after we do the shaving. So some guys prefer to shave it, some guys do not, but you don't have to. All right, you doing okay?
Yeah, I'm
okay.
good.
So we drew out the line. We dropped it about a finger, maybe a little less than a finger. I think it looks nice and sharp on him. So does he. That's the most important thing. And then when we pull back the hair, it actually went a little further back than initially that it looks. He kind of covers it up well. So we're going to come back a little bit back here, and then I'm going to have you drop your head again, Ahmon, and then we're going to cover the crown as well too. All right, so that's the game plan today. You doing good?
Sounds good.
Awesome, man. You ready to get rock and roll? We'll go next door.
I'm ready.
We'll start. We'll check on you a little bit later. Sounds good?
Let's do it.
Awesome. All right. All right, Ahmon, we are in the middle of things here, actually winding down. We'll probably be done in the next 20, 30 minutes or so, but how you feeling, man?
Pretty good.
Doing okay?
After the numbing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely the worst part of the day, but you actually did fine. You did great with it. So we took the strip, we made all the holes, we took a little lunch break, watched a couple movies, and we are on the home stretch. You have any pain now?
No pain at all.
Okay, you look like you're chilling. Good.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll check back in with you in the end, make sure you make it through the rest, and you're looking good though, man.
Perfect.
All right, we are finished. Ahmon, congratulations, man.
Thank you.
You did it. You were fantastic. Be honest with everybody, how did today go?
It was good. It was a good experience. The shots were a little painful, but other than that,
part sucks,
after that, it was pretty pain-free.
Good. You didn't do any crying, you didn't do any punching, you did fine. We got you through it.
Yeah.
Well, after that, you were relaxed the whole time. Watched a couple movies. Like you said, had some lunch.
Yep.
Had some good conversation. I'm happy with the way it went. Nice and tight line.
Yeah.
Obviously, there's some swelling and stuff once that settles down, but it's gonna be nice and flat. I'm gonna spin you around here so we can look at the back, and we got the back centered, the crown right there. So I'm excited, man. I think it turned out really, really well. Hopefully, we'll follow you as the year goes on, and we'll see you after a year and see the new you and the big reveal a year from now.
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
I'll be back for sure.
Right. Sounds good. We'll see you in 2 weeks for the suture removal, okay?
Yep.
Thanks again for doing this for everybody.
Thank y'all. I appreciate it.
Take care, man.